Guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. You guys already know the drill. Before we do anything else, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Okay. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check on the prices in details. I know a lot of you are panicking, but and right after that, we will look at our positions. Are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going sideways? You know the drill. Okay, but let me set his. Before we do anything else, let's talk about this. Okay, people are panicking. Okay, because the president Donald Trump came out and is adding tariffs. Okay, tariffs are, in economic terms, is adding taxes. Okay, on all imports, U.S., Mexico, China, all of that is adding taxes to that. Normally, those who don't understand how the economy works are the people panicking. Okay, if you really look into it, you will see that it is good for the U.S. economy. Pretty good. Yes, a lot of at first stock market may perform badly, but in the long term, okay, it's pretty good because according to the numbers, those taxes, those tariffs are equal to almost $500 billion. You hear that? Like $500 billion, okay, a year. So yeah, you looking at that could be used in two ways. Okay, I'm explaining it to you guys. Maybe I will explain that you guys could understand it better, or maybe you can go and do your research. Let's say, for example, the number, which again I'm not sure, but everybody's talking about, is around that $500 billion. Okay, those $500 billion can be used in two ways. Okay, one, pay the national debt, which we all know it is skyrocketing. Start paying the national debt back, which is, if you start doing that $500 billion every year, it would take us less than 10, 15 years or whatever it will be, 20 years to pay it all off. Which now, that would be very, very good for the Americans, for the country, okay? The second way you can use this, it will be about taxes. That way, the citizens or people and Americans, they receive tax cuts, and the balance of what we are not producing as Americans in the tax revenue will get like supplemented by that $500 billion that will be taxing for everything imported into the United States. You guys understand, right? So for me, that one, as an American, I do not want that one. I'd rather use that money to pay the national debt. That way, the national spending will be lower and blah, blah, blah. You guys already know the drill, how that one goes. The reason why I don't want it to be used as tax cuts is because then inflation would not be helped. National economy, the US dollar, would not be helped, because if you start using that as tax cuts, sooner than later they'll have to end up printing more money. Okay, so yeah, I do not want to go that way. There are so many other reasons, but anyways, I don't have enough time to explain all that here. And now, the second reason why I think is good for the U.S. economy is because, guess what? We produce oranges. For example, we are producing oranges in Florida. Okay, oranges coming from Mexico, any other places, they are cheaper because there is cheaper labor over there, right? But guess what? If you start putting 25% tax on all of that, Americans will be forced, okay? Americans will be forced to start producing more orange in Florida. And that, my friends, will lead to more jobs getting created, right? More jobs getting created, that means more people gonna work. More people working, it means more taxes are gonna get created. And that means a better life for the Americans. It's a cycle, it's a domino effect, which people don't understand. For example, another example, he's going to impose 25% or whatever in import cars. You have a choice. Somebody like me who I want to drive a Bentley, I have a choice. I could pay 25% more or whatever it is to drive a Bentley, or I could drive an American made Ford or a GMC or whatever. You see that? So yeah, in the end, it's not just the US that is doing it. You ever been in China? For you to drive an American car in China, you have to pay. India. You ever been in India? For you to drive an American car in India, you have to pay. Not just American, any other country. That is why when you go to those countries, you see them driving more of their native, more of their homemade vehicles. Because guess what? The taxes on their homemade vehicles are lower. Therefore, since they consume more of their homemade brands, they have to manufacture more. They need parts in case something breaks down. And once they're doing that, more people are working, jobs and stuff like that. So yeah, people who don't understand economy, they're the people crying right now. They're the people who are complaining right now. But if you understand economy, you know that everything that Trump is doing right now about those tariffs is actually going to benefit Americans. You might not see it right away, okay? You might not see it right away. It's going to be something that, yeah, it's going to happen probably a couple months down the line, maybe next year or something like that. That is why I'm telling you guys, okay? Markets, crypto, or stock market, whatever you want to call it, they are going to pump it. This tariff they are going to put into right now, once they start taking effect, that's when the real bear market is going to come in. Because people are going to get scared, people are going to cross, and on top of that, if you really check, it all lines out. That is why the FOMC, they did not cut the rates, because they knew this was coming. If they had cut the rates, and this tariff comes on in effect too, guess what? It was going to crash everything, because people just panic, don't understand. Okay, so everything goes hand in hand. If you really give it a chance, I'm telling you guys, bull run is not going to last that long, because let's see, probably they're going to start cutting rates. They're going to go again, probably May, June, thereabout. You're going to see them cut rates, and once they cut the rates, the tariffs takes effect, everything happen. Yeah, the market is going to crash, but until then, we are going to see Bitcoin up there. I told you guys, $140,000 to $180,000. They're in that range. Once you get there, bam, it's going to come crashing. So whatever you're looking at the market doing right now is normal. We spoke about it yesterday, and I was telling you guys, market does not go up in a straight line. Look at the charts. Go look at them. That's why I like working with charts. I don't do Elliott wave and none of that mumbo jumbo everybody else does. Maybe it works for them. Great. I like things simple. I like them simple. I don't use normal candles, because normal candles in a chart, they hide the actual price. Okay, if you use the hashy candles, they show you the right price. Okay, that's why I use those. But you don't need rocket science. Go look at it. Every time we've been having a resistance with price finally breaks above that resistance. What usually happens? Oh, come on, it doesn't connect yet. Okay, what usually happens? Price goes up, usually comes down to retest that previous resistance, and it uses it as support. That usually happen like 70% of the time. The other times it might come a little lower, but it will not touch that. But anyway, still like it usually come a breather, because some people, it's not a crime. Some people made some money when we go from A to B. They make some money. They're gonna take some off the table, and that's gonna affect the price uh, that's gonna affect the price coming back down a little bit, and that's it. If you panic, if you panic, you are gonna lose that entry level that you got. For example, I got Kaspa. My new entry, I got Kaspa at 11.8. Kaspa could come back down probably 12 cents and bounce from there. That is the support. Okay, if you panic sell right now at what was the price right now? 12.3, I think, 12.8 or 9, whatever it is right now, expecting it to go back down, and then it comes and bounce at 12 cents, start going, you lose that entry. That's how it works. So yeah, the price action you're looking at right now, price going down, it is not actually going down. It is normal. It's going to come back down, retest the support, and start to climb. Guys, we've spoke about this every time. Patience. Take a deep breath. Relax. Deep breath and relax. You've done the hardest thing was to get that entry. Go look at your chart on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly. Look at those positions. Anything else like on the 4 hour, 1 hour is just noise. It is just noise. If you mess it up right now, you have to wait again until the whole daily resets or the whole weekly resets. That's another thing. And I can guarantee you that when it does, Kaspa is not going to reset lower, because the thing has like touched the minimum price it could touch, and it will start going up. Understand? On top of that, we got Binance. Binance has started. There is a wallet that is seriously accumulating Kaspa right now. And I can tell you, right, a lot of people think it's Michael Saylor, people saying it's OKX, but looking at what Binance is doing, I can tell you, I think it is Binance. We are about to have Binance listing Kaspa. Like, for example, the latest one they tweeted, look at this. Go in here, look at this. They tweeted it 3 days ago. Trading symphonies hitting all the right crap, it went all the way down again. Let me try to scroll it. They are now talking about trading symphonies hitting all the right notes. That's what they're now talking about. And what is hitting all the right notes? Everybody's talking about a crescendo upgrade, right? Crescendo upgrade, which is a position that is going to take Kaspa to 10 BPS. Okay, look at that. 3 days ago, trading symphonies hitting all the right notes. Music, crescendo, Kaspa. So yeah, they are giving you all the hints. This is the way they usually do stuff when they start to run a marketing. Like this is marketing right now. Okay, when they start to run marketing on an asset, they are about to list it on a spot. Okay, so it is happening. It's happening. There is so much bullish news coming for Kaspa. That crescendo upgrade is one of them. Integration, they already did. Okay, they integrated Binance into their Binance or whatever exchange. Now, guys, it's about to happen, and you are here looking at the little hiccup and panicking, panic selling. You about to lose a lot of money. I can tell you that right now. You're about to lose a lot of money if you don't understand how the market works. It's not the first time it happens. It did. People panic again. Price is going like this because Trump announced that today, February the 1st, they are going to start imposing taxes in all imported goods into the United States. They are going to start doing that. So yeah, I don't know what you're panicking about. We were looking for that entry on the daily. We got it. Weekly, we got it. Just relax. It could come back down, retest, and it will start going. Relax. Round 5, money has just started. Anyways, now let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Again, you need to put your money where it will grow. Okay, I'm gonna show you something in a minute. Let's take crypto bubbles right quick. When we look at crypto bubbles, right here. Okay, this is on the daily. Okay, you see, everybody's panicking, and I'm this is the funniest part ever. It's just like when the DeepSeek whatever happened, everybody was panicking like this. Then the next day, everybody like, oh, okay, I guess it was just a hiccup, and they started buying like crazy. This is exactly what I think is happening right now. If you look at Kaspa, KAS, look at this. For the past hour, down 1.5%, 3.6% down on the day, 6.1% down on the week, 2.1% up on the month, and 22.8% up on the year. Look at that daily. That's what I'm telling you. There are coins that are dropping right now 20-30%, and Kaspa is holding strong at 3.6%. Anyways, sitting at a market cap of $3.21 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at 43.66. Again, the volume speaks everything. It's not dumping. Look at the volume, and then look at the market cap. We went from 3.4 it was yesterday to 3.2, which is just $200 million. Again, it's a trap. You're about to lose. You're about to lose. Okay, let's look at Quant right quick. The banker's coin. Like I explained it to you guys yesterday. I hope you understand why I said the banker's coin. Anyways, looking at Quant, we have here for the past hour 1.5% down. On the day, down 4.6%. You see that? 4.6. I can show you other coins that are down 20-30%. You have to put your money where it's going to grow. As you can see, the coins that we are trading, they are not even dropping like rocks. All it's doing is retesting previous resistance as support. Anyways, 1.4% down on the week, 5.5% down on the month, and we have it 3.8% up in the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.55 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $40 million. You see that? Look at the market cap. It has barely moved from where it was yesterday. Anyways, now let's continue with Jasmy, JASMY. We have here 2.2% down the last hour, 5% down on the day, 10.5% up on the week, 13.5% down on the month, and 486% down on the year. Again, Jasmy heavily correlated to Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin right now, it's dumping. Therefore, Jasmy is going to dump. So yeah, you guys already know that. Sitting at the market cap of $1.46 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $213.51 million. Like I told you, it's going to do twice because Bitcoin is dumping. Anyways, now looking at last but not the least, Cubic. Right now, again, Cubic, high risk, high reward. For the past hour, we are down 0.9%, 8.4% down on the day, 6.9% down on the week, 29.8% down on the month, and 9.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $247.62 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $5.11 million. You already know why. It's a very low market cap, so any kind of market moving is going to move the market really, really hard. So yeah, we're good on that. Now let's go look at the markets right quick. Let's look at prices in more details. Okay, let's start with King Kaspa. As always, Kaspa yesterday, again, we broke out, and we are in this channel. Let me zoom it in a little bit. See, we are in this channel. Let me zoom in. Let me show you something. Look at the ribbon, it's still spreading out. Okay, this is why people are so like they're afraid right now. Okay, now let me bring out my arrow right quick. Let's see here. I'll bring my arrow right quick here. We have a little bit inverse head and shoulders on the hourly. If the price dumps, it's going to go all the way down. See, 12.3, 12.4. We're probably going to be here and start bouncing, not anywhere into this. Even so, again, I'm telling you guys, sometimes price can dump and then retest. This previous resistance is now probably go a little lower, which is around 12.2. Use that as support, and up we go. You understand? Kaspa is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. There's nothing new about this. We already know this, okay? Even when you look at it on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour right quick. Okay, 4 hours. Let me zoom it in so you can see. It's a bull flag. See, bull flag is going. I think these lines on the 4 hourly, you can even call it a falling wedge on the 4 hourly. If you go this, if I do this, and I do this, bring it up here. See, you can even call it falling wedge on the 4 hourly. Let me close this right quick. I see it's a little bit difficult to do on my phone. You can do this. See, it's about to break out to the upside, because on the 4 hour you can call this a falling wedge. As easy as that. There's no two ways about it. Okay, come on, I'm trying to hold it and it's not. The phone is a little bit hard to do on the phone. Right there, see, you can call it a falling wedge. We have gone more than 50% of the wedge already. See, so yeah, people panicking. I don't see falling wedge. It's falling and we've gone more than 50%. So yeah, this thing is going to come, test it, and start to run up. That easy as that, as simple as that. So yeah, I think like everybody else panicking, they are just I don't know what to tell you guys. You are going to miss this opportunity again, and then you have to wait to try to get another entry level. You've already entered the trade. Chill, relax. Okay, now let's go look at Quant right quick, the banker's coin. Just like I told you guys, if you saw the video yesterday, you will see it. Banker's coin, see, exactly the same. There is no difference. Ribbon still green, and as you can see, Quant, we do have that resistance and support. Like I told you guys, $100 to $125, and it's also a big support at $105 or $107 right here. So yeah, price broke out. We might even come back, retest this. If we don't hold here, we're gonna come back, retest that $100. We are still moving sideways for Quant. Okay, so there is no need for you to panic, and I'll say it again. So like, look at let's look at this here on the 1 hourly. See, look at the ribbon. Even after the dumping, ribbon still green, and as you can see, it is about to start flipping upwards. So yep, yep, a lot of people are about to lose their opportunity again, because if you panic, you lose money. And I told you guys so many times in this my millionaire journey, you need to remain calm. There's not much I can tell you. Everything is playing out the way it's supposed to. See, you can even do the same thing with Kaspa. I think it's another falling wedge. Okay, you see this, we broke out, and now price is falling. Then before you know it, bam, we start to run up again. So yeah, it is a bullish structure. Okay, now anyways, I won't waste time with this thing right quick. Let's go look at Jasmine. Like I told you guys, Jasmine follows Bitcoin. Anything Bitcoin does, Jasmine is going to do. So yeah, see, no two ways about it. Anything Bitcoin does, Jasmine about to do. So yeah, ribbon still green. Okay, so we still have here the moving average. Look at the moving average. Where are we? 2.8. So yeah, price could even still fall down, bounce on the moving average, and keep on going. But all this price action will depend on whatever Bitcoin does. Okay, if Bitcoin breaks out, which I think is going to, if Bitcoin breaks out, Jasmine is going to break out. Look at the price on the 4 hourly. You see, becoming, getting supported on the ribbon. Ribbon still green and still pointing upward. At the same time, we are also getting supported by the moving average. So yeah, yeah, everything is going on as planned. I don't know. People are just panicking for no reason. Okay, now let's look right quick at Cubic, because Cubic has that one thing I found about Cubic is that it has that how you say it, that tendency of creating a channel. Okay, once it breaks out of that channel, it's going to run wild. Like you see right now, this is the 4 hours for Cubic. Let me try to go the channel. Let me go on the daily right quick. I think the daily will show you better. See, Cubic has a tendency of forming this channel. It's not the first time. If you look here, for example, you see that channel? Cubic broke above it. Let me bring my arrow. Like for example, the previous one, we were trading below this channel until Cubic broke above it, confirm it, and up we went. It's not the first time. If you look another one, look at this one. Again, we were trading on it, broke out, confirmed, and up we went. Now the target for this one right here, once cubic breaks out of this one, which again, look at the ribbon, it has started to curve, right? Once cubic breaks out of this channel, the target is going to be 5 zeros and a 7. That's what it's going to be. So yeah, I'm not worried about this, because this channel right here is like a bullish flag, big bullish flag, extended. Now if you take that's how I know it's going to go to 5 zeros and a 7. If you take this, the measurement, and then you put it wherever it breaks out from, you are going to have this thing going up to what you call it, 5 zeros and a 7. So yeah, I don't see why people are panicking. This is normal. You break out, you always have a retest, and then go from there to new price targets. Okay, so anyways, there you have it. It's my take on the market. Market is not doing nothing unusual. It is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So yeah, if you want to panic, okay, that's up to you. Anyways, now let's go look at the market and my positions right quick. Sorry, let's look at my position to see how we've been doing. Anyways, guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't have experience. I will say it again. If you keep doing it, you're going to lose a lot of money. And you may as well, you know what, buy you a mansion in Rec City. That's what's going to happen. And these people, market makers, people that don't have experience, they use them. You know, they give you everything you want. They'll rent you a limo, rent you an escort, bodyguards, and everything else to send you down to Rec City, you know, to make sure that you get there without a problem. Therefore, please, you need to practice. Down below, I do have Phemex, Bydfi, Margex, and I also had they have given me an affiliate link for Weex exchange. Sign up, meet the deposit bonuses, and start trading. First, practice with the $100 or $200 or whatever. Practice. Those mistakes you're going to make is better that you make them with $100 or $200 versus trying to make them with how you say it, with thousands and thousands of dollars. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions, okay, to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Yeah, first we're going to start with Bydfi. You guys already know, for me, is the exchange I do recommend for beginners. Here I am trading my quant. I'm also trading Kaspa. So you can see my overall market is taking a breather. Again, I don't have a problem with this, because I know once it picks up, after it does what it's supposed to do, again, I will show you this account in 6 figures. Okay, it's no longer far away, 6 to 8 months from now. Okay, look at my overall. I am still up 14,200. Okay, yesterday I was up almost 16,000 if I don't recall wrongly. Anyways, looking at my contracts, you will see here, yeah, Kaspa is almost there, to retest that previous resistance and turn it into support. It's almost there. Like I'm telling you guys, probably going to be around that 12.2, 12.3, and it will bounce. But anyways, for my Kaspa, as you guys can see, I am down 35%, which is $2,500. Okay, for my quant, yesterday I was up almost $2,000, and today I am still up 4%, which is $450. Again, this is not what I'm looking for. It's not what is. If you understand the way I trade, I look for those entries to make sure that by the end of the bull run, minimum at least I can get out of each entry is $100,000 minimum. Okay, maximum you probably be looking, depends on what the price does, you probably be looking at taking profit of $200, $300, $400, $500, or even $1 million out of this position. Like for example, look at Kaspa right now. You say I'm down 35%. Imagine by the time we start hitting all-time high or even 25 cents, I will be up 70%, which is $5,000. And a bunch of you will not even remember that this position was down 35%. Right? So yeah, you're coming in 50 cents. At 50 cents, I will be up $20,000, which is 282%, right? You can see that. So Binance listing is on the way. I'm telling you guys, Binance listing is going to take this either $1 or even $2. So at $1, I will be up 706%, which is $50,000. If it does take it to $2, I will be up, wow, $111,000, which is 1,500%. You see what I'm talking about? Now, a lot of people saying $3 just like Cardano did, and this and that, and this and that. And although I keep telling you guys, the times has changed. Market is not the same as Cardano. Now it's more advanced. A lot of people know about crypto more than back in the days when Cardano came out. But anyways, let's entertain that. At $3, this thing will have, I will make $172,000, which is 2,400% up. Okay. At $5, which for me is going to be the bare minimum. Okay. If Kaspa does not perform good, it's going to be $5. $5 is going to be $294,000, which is 4,000%. See now, or if you go to my price prediction, which I think is extremely bullish and is very, very possible for Kaspa to do, if we get to $10, this will take me into $599,000, which is 8,300%. See, nobody will ever remember that my position was down 35% when this number starts to hit, right? So yeah, I will sit here 6 to 8 months and I will show you this. The same thing goes to Quant. Look at Quant right now. Okay, all-time high alone. When this thing hits to all-time high, I will be up $47,000, which is 457%. Okay, next price target after that is $700. At $700, I will be up $95,000. See, now people think it's going to be 1,700. Okay, 1,700. I will be up $254,000, which is 2,400% up. Okay, I'm telling you guys, Quant is a $5,000 coin. Okay, let's see, $5,000. This will make me $780,000, which is 7,500% up. And nobody's gonna remember. Just like right now, the way you can see it, I'm already 3% up. If I tell you that this thing was negative 40 or 30%, you will not believe it, right? So yeah, it is happening slowly and steadying. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. You can pause this and you will see. I trade at 50x. I drop my liquidation so low that I don't really care what happens to the price, whether it swings or not. That's the way I trade. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On Phemex, you guys know I trade Jasmine and also trade Kaspa over there, right? So yeah, right now, yesterday I think we were up like $12,000 or $13,000 in profit. Today, let's see. Today I am down 11,100. Do I care? Nope. Because again, this is something in 6 to 8 months. I will show you this account in 6 figures, and you will see it. So looking at my contracts, look at here. Look at this. Jasmine, I am still down 22%. If you guys follow my channel, a couple of days ago, even a week, I was down negative 45%. See that? Negative 45%. The same goes to my Kaspa. If you guys remember my channel, I was almost down sometime a week or 2 weeks or even 3 weeks ago. I was down negative almost 50 something percent. Today on Kaspa, I am still down negative 44, which is 2,400. But that don't bother me. Again, for Jasmine, okay, look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine at 4 cents, because that's the next target that this thing is trying to break up to, 4.5 cents. At 4.5 cents, this thing will make me 3,200. That's what it will make me, and I will be up 1,200%. Nobody will remember that I was down. Negative 34%. Nobody will remember that. The target after this one is 6 cents. At 6 cents, this thing will make me $8,000. See? The target after that, we're talking about probably 12 cents. This thing will make me $31,000. You go up a little bit, it's going to be 15 cents, the golden pocket. This thing will be up $42,000. After this, you have the last bull run. We had a lot of trouble trying to break 20 cents. So it's going to be a lot of resistance there. At 20 cents, this thing will make me $61,000 at 20 cents. Okay. I believe that Jasmine, this run, like I've told you so many times, it will hit 60 cents. At 60 cents, we have $210,000 in profit. See that? Now, if the lockup goes good and they even lock 10 to 15% of the total supply, we can see Jasmine either $1.50 or $2. $1.50, this thing will make me $500,000. At $2, we are talking about $733,000. So yeah, these are the numbers that I'm looking at. I don't care what price is doing right now. I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x, and therefore my liquidations are so low. You can pause it if you want to, and you can look at my numbers. That's exactly what we're doing. So yeah, now let's go look at my newest positions. You guys remember I opened new trades on Weex exchange, because I was telling you guys, once the daily resets, I am in. I am in. So yeah, daily reset, weekly reset, I am in. So as you can see, I started this account. The overall was like 2,700, I guess. Now you can see right now my overall is $3,000. Yesterday I think I was up like 3,600 or something like that. But that is not what I'm looking at. Looking at the contracts, you will see we start here for Kaspa. I am still up 18%, which is $212. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. But yeah, we're going in there. And for Cubic, I am still up 5%, which is $94.95. Again, I trade at 50x. You can pause this video and you can look at my numbers. Now, for example, for this account, for Kaspa, let's go. See, by the time Kaspa goes back to, let's say, 25 cents, this position will make me almost $4,500. See, that's what I'm looking at. Now, we're talking about probably 50 cents. By the time the rumors, everybody else starts to believe that Binance is listing this before the listing is going to run. At 50 cents, this thing will make me $12,000. Now, like I told you guys, two things, either $1 or $2, Binance is going to take this thing. So yeah, at $1, we're talking about $29,000. At $2, we are talking about $63,000. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. I know these numbers are crazy, but yeah. So look at $5. We're talking about $164,000. And if it goes to my price prediction, $10, we're talking about $332,000. That's what I'm talking about. These are the numbers that I'm looking at. I don't know about you, but this is what I'm looking at. Now, if you look at Cubic, which again, everybody, I'm telling you, high risk, high reward. The breakout target from what we're forming right now, like I told you guys, is 5 zeros and it's 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It will be $7,000. I mean $6,800, almost $7,000. See? Now, if Cubic loses a 0, let's say 4 zeros and a 2, I will be up $25,000. I told you guys, like for me, I think Cubic is going to pass that 10 to 20 billion dollars. It could do that if the ecosystem starts to build up and all that stuff, which I think for me, highest target Cubic can hit this run is going to be 3 zeros and a 2. 3 zeros and a 2, that means 3 zeros 2. This position will be $279,000 in profit. See what I'm telling you about? These are the numbers that I'm looking at now. Let's go back here. Like I just showed you, that is psychology of money. I'm not looking at one position to make me the whole millions that I need. No, I have 3 different exchanges, and each exchange has 2 trades. Therefore, I have 6 open trades. Okay, that is something that a lot of these YouTubers are not telling you. Each of these positions has 2 trades. Therefore, 6 different trades. And the coins that I chose, I believe and I know they are going to move. They are not meme coins. They are not anything else. There are coins, layer ones, that I know are going to move. except for Jasmine. Yeah, you can consider Jasmine a layer 1. But anyways, if you add all of these 6 trades together in 6 to 8 months, okay, well, unless something happened and I have to close one of them because I need some money for something. But if everything goes as planned, in 6 to 8 months, all these 6 trades together should make me a 1.5, 2 million or even more. That's what the plan is. Okay, psychology of money. Get a little here, little there, little there, little there, put it together, and that's what you get. And then look at my spot accounts. Do I want to sell some after I get $2-3 million from leverage? Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe some Jasmine, but not Quant, not Kaspa. Okay, maybe some other coins that I'm holding. Yeah, so yeah, that's another thing that you have to start looking at. And for those of you who want to trade on meme coins, I have one rule. I don't buy. Well, I used to, but not anymore. When I started understanding what meme coins are, but one rule on meme coins: if you don't get in there when the market cap is still less than $200-300 million, do not get in there. Okay, when the market cap is still less than $200 million, okay, and has not been listed in major exchanges, that's when you get in. Do not get in a meme coin, okay? It has blown up to $1 billion. It has been listed on all major exchanges, okay? Do not, because the catalyst is gone. It would now depend on, let's say, Elon Musk tweeting about it or some kind of hype or something like that. So how many of them will get the hype? Do not get into those meme coins. Like I'm telling you guys, right now I have Nacho. I think Nacho is the only meme coin that I'm holding. I got into Nacho when it launched. I minted it myself just to support the Kaspa ecosystem, and I'm just holding it there. I don't know. I don't put my hopes up on it. Maybe it will do good when Kaspa ecosystem start to grow. Maybe it would not. But yet, I got into Nacho, 1, before the market cap started running, 2, before it got listed into major exchanges. So yeah, the hype is still there, because if Binance, Coinbase, the rest of them list Nacho, yep, I'm gonna make money with it. Understand? So those are my rules for meme coins. I don't get into meme coins when the higher market cap has already exploded, or if they have already been listed on major exchanges. I don't get into them. I told you guys, I'm going to short the top 10 meme coins. I'm going to short the living Jesus out of them when the bear market comes. That's what I would do. That's the only way I think you can make money from meme coins, because the target upwards is not guaranteed, but the target downwards, yep, it is guaranteed. That being said, guys, thank you very much for checking out my videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm trying to know what you think. I would like to know what you think about what we just spoke about. And again, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to share so that other people like you and me with millionaire mind status can see these videos. You never know what you will learn from somebody else. Understand? It's my millionaire journey. Come on, just share. Let's try to make as many likes, many subscribers as possible, okay? Until I see you in my next one, please, guys, please, don't go to Rec City. No matter how tempting it is, no matter how good the escorts or maybe good, let's say, strippers they give you down there, do not go to Rec City. And please, if you still have like 2 positions to the right, move to the right. Don't be the last one on that left. Don't be the last one on the left, because you're going to get left with that hot potato in your hand. And you start juggling it, trying to give it to the next person, but there is nobody to your left. So you're going to... You're going to be the last one holding it. So please, please do not be the last one holding the last potato. Until I see you in my next video, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? And bye-bye.